everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we're in a 1984 Chevy C10 pickup. It is a single cab short bed truck. Has a beautiful red exterior with the aluminum bezel, red painted dash. This truck is in great condition. Got the black interior. This truck is actually an award-winning truck at multiple car shows. Cold AC, power brakes, power steering, all the goodies. This car has a Dakota digital dashboard. It also has the Sniper EFI from Holley, so you can read all your vitals, gauges, all that good stuff. Let me give you guys a quick brake test really quick. Stops on the dime. Really cold AC in this car. I'm going to take it back to the shop, put it up on the lift, show you guys the underneath.